so I received, a few days ago, I received my Close to My Heart, my Craft with Heart subscription scrapbooking in the mail. And so I am unboxing to show you the 4 kits. So I will be putting the January one together at a later time, but I just wanted to show you, here's the packing slip, so January through April. And so they put them in order. And so I'm just going to go ahead and show you quickly what each of the, oh, look how cute, what each of the layouts are going to look like. So this is layout 1 for January and layout 2 for January. So everything comes, it's all pre-cut. It's all you need is actually adhesive. And then if you want to add, any embellishments that you have on hand, then you can do so. It's up to you. You can make it as complicated or as easy as you want. We have stickers that come with that are marked whether they go with layout 1 or 2. We have die cuts marked whether they go for layout 1 or layout 2. And then we have background papers. And this is true for all of our Craft with Heart scrapbook. So that's going to be the layout for, that's number 2. And then this is number 1. So here's the backgrounds all printed and ready to go to make it just so easy for you. And so, like I said, this is layout 1 and 2 for January. And I already put the walkthrough of last year's scrapbook, and so you can look that up and see what you end up with at the end of the month. So you end up with 24 2-page layouts, so that's actually 48 pages that you've done by the end of the year to put your pictures on. So it just makes everything super easy for you. And putting these together will take you 30 to 40 minutes, depending on how quick you are. Here is layout 1 and layout 2 for February. So very cute. And once again, you've got, you know, the stickers and the die cuts to go with the pages. This has a lot of stickers with it. And let's see what the backgrounds look like. Oh, isn't that pretty? Very pretty. And then this is so cute. I really like that. It's a very strong looking layout. I like the strong colors, but with the beautiful glacier in there. So that is going to be February. So you're just kind of getting a preview of, whoops, sorry, what these look like. And you can purchase this by the year, where you get a good deal, or you can purchase them by the quarter. So, I mean, we even have the placeholders for your pictures. We've got backgrounds for your pictures. So here is March. Oh, man. And here's March the first layout and March the second layout. So lots of stickers, lots of die cuts. And then here are the backgrounds. So there's one background. Look at how beautiful that is. And I mean, you can feel like cheating if you want to, but you know what? It just makes life easy and fast. And here's the second layout. How does that go? Goes like this. That's how it goes. So, love those. And I'll put these away. So that's March. And then the last one in the box is April. And look at this beautiful wisteria color. You even get, what's this? You even get your page protectors with the whole thing. So, Chasing Rainbows. So that's the title over one. So you have all, by the end of the year, if you put these in an album as you go through and you add your pictures to it, by the end of the year, you know, you'll just be adding 4 more pages, 2 more layouts, and you'll be finished with the year. So it's really kind of, you know, super easy way of doing scrapbooking. And before you know it, you have the year checked off. Okay, so here's layout 1. And you know what? They go this way because they're raindrops. And then we've got layout 2. So that's going to go like that. Very cute. See, it even looks distressed for you. We just make it really easy for you. So there we go. And, you know, I will link you to how to order the scrapbooking subscription. And, you know, you do that, then all you have to do is wait for it to come in the mail, and then you can start putting your pages together. But if you want to wait and do one month at a time with me, you can wait and work with me. Put my die cuts in here. So there we go. My first quarter of subscription scrapbooking. So thank you. And it will come in a box just like this. So cute. Ready to go. Bye now.
Hi, I'm Dorothy Smith. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and learn along with me. Thanks. Bye-bye.